Today I'm going to show you how you can install an LED or SMD or halogen bulb in your car. So this is my Honda Vezel or HRV, most commonly known as HRV globally. So this is the high beam side, and the bulb which I'm going to replace is with the halogen. It's a special one. So first we will access the engine bay by opening up the bonnet. Okay, I have pull up the lever. So let's have an access to the bulb. Okay, so now you can see the SMD. Okay, it's in a steel gray color. So first we will remove the connector, okay, from the main wiring harness. So I have removed the bulb by rotating it anti-clockwise. Okay, it's a point that you should rotate a bulb in an anti-clockwise direction, regardless of any size. So this is an SMD which I have removed now, and similarly for the second pair I have done as well. So now this is the Osram cool blue intense. It's a 4200 Kelvin, but later on we will see whether it's an actually 4200 Kelvin bulb or not, by measuring up the intensity. So it's a small one. You can see it's a very small tiny halogen bulb, and the main glass is in blue color. So and it's the same way to insert the bulb like I have removed the previous SMD. So but the difference is that you have to turn the bulb in a clockwise direction, where the bulb would be placed firmly, in order to avoid any kind of vibrations or jerks while driving. And finally you will connect the connector. Once the connection is established, okay, all wirings are checked, the positioning is checked, positioning of the bulb. Now we can have a look on the performance of this bulb by switching to high beam. Okay, I have engaged the high beam. So let's see. Yes, it's quite intense, very intense. It's in a yellow color. So in the next video I'm going to show you that how it will affect the road visibility, and we will check on for both the cornering and at straight roads as well. So this is an Osram 4200 Kelvin. It's a cool blue intense.